Welcome to CSE Olympiad 2.0. CSE Olympiads have been brought to you by CSE Academy. We are an educational organization popularizing academic competition and assisting development of competitive spirit among children. CSE Academy aims to assist students in widening their academic horizon beyond school books and prepare them to excel in today's highly competitive environment. Olympiads have multiple benefits for students. They test conceptual and in depth subject knowledge. They help build time and resource management skills. They also test memorization power of students and develop problem solving skills and analytical skills. Above and beyond everything, Olympiads help drill the discipline and commitment required for the students to take tough competitive examinations. Olympiad-like examinations can be used in classrooms by teachers to assess the performance of their students in comparison to the peer group. It also helps them to plan their classroom and curriculum. Parents can use Olympiad results and reports to chart out a career path for their children. CSE Olympiad is a platform that conducts Olympiad tests in 10 subjects from grades 3 to 12 in 2 language mediums. CSE Olympiads are completely online and thereby offer an ease and flexibility of taking the exam from anywhere. Upon registration, 5 mock tests are given to each child to enable them to practice in real time. We provide comprehensive reports on score, student speed, correct answers, response analysis, student progress, and overall rank among the children who've taken Olympiad. These comprehensive reports are easy to understand and analyze. CSE Olympiad is the only Olympiad in the country that is available in 2 language mediums, Hindi and English, for all the offered subjects. Every participating child gets participation certificate, detailed performance analysis report, and their rank. The top performing students win lucrative prizes, and the top ranking school principals and teachers are invited and felicitated at an event. We hope to create an impact by supplementing student learning and create a culture of excellence. Thank you.